Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. কেমন আছো তোমরা সবাই? So today we are going to create this brown smoky eyes with bold red lips. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, we need to prep our skin before the makeup, and I have washed my face. You can wash your face with any face wash that you have. And then for the toner, here I'm using the toner from Good Vibes. After that, I'm using a moisturizer from Lotus. These are the basic steps to prepare your skin before the makeup. And next, I'm applying a primer, and the primer is from Color Bar. Here is a short disclaimer that I have done my eyebrow off camera. Okay, next here I'm using a concealer from Maybelline, and I'm just applying it all over my lids. This is the must have concealer, like it's just vanish all the darkness that you have. I'm using the palette of Revlon, and I'm taking the light shade to just set my eyelid. I set my eyelids off camera, and next I'm taking a blackish brown color, and I'm applying this on my lids. I'm doing the same on another eye. Then with the help of a blending brush, I'm going to blend the edges. Now blending is the key of doing any smoky eye. The more you invest your time on blending, the more your eye makeup will look flawless. Okay, next I'm using the Jacklin palette, and I'm taking the brown color from the palette and applying it on my crease line. I will mention every product which I am using in this video to check it out. And I'm doing the same on another eye. After that, I'm using a Kajal, and I'm not creating a wing liner. I'm just creating a line really close to my lash line. I'm creating just a very basic line. Next, I'm smudging out the Kajal gently with the help of a eyeshadow brush. Next, I'm taking the same brown color from the Jacklin palette, and I'm just pat the brown color on the area where I smudged the Kajal. Lastly, I'm taking a clean blending brush, and I'm running through my crease line one more time to clean everything up. And here I'm using a very light hand to do this. My eyelid is complete, and now I will get to my lower lash line. Here I'm using a gel Kajal, and the gel Kajal is from L'Oreal. I'm applying the Kajal on my waterline. We will repeat the same blending which we have done on our lids, and here I'm taking the darkish brown color from the Revlon palette, and I'm just smudging the Kajal with the dark brown color. I'm straight going to dig into the brown color from the Jacklin palette, and I am placing the color close to the area where I blend the Kajal with the darkish brown color. We are done with our eye makeup. Next, we will do our face makeup, and for the face makeup, here I'm using a foundation, and the foundation is from Maybelline, and I'm applying it on my face. I'm blending it nicely with the help of a beauty blender. Next, I'm using the same concealer, and I'm applying it on the inner corner and outer corner of my eyes, center of my nose, forehead, my cupid's bow, and my chin. I'm also applying a little bit of concealer on my mouth area where I have pigmentation. I'm blending out everything using a beauty blender with the foundation so that everything looks seamless. To contour my face, here I'm using the contour palette from Sugar Cosmetics, and I'm applying the powder on my jawline and on the hollow of my cheek. I'm also contouring my nose. For the blush, here I'm using the blush from L'Oreal, and the blush is kind of a coral color. I'm applying the blush on my cheeks. Little bit on my nose and my chin. Blush is done. Next I will use highlighter, and the highlighter is from Wet n Wild. I will apply the highlighter on all the highest point of my face. I'm also applying the highlighter on my brow bone. I'm applying a little bit of highlighter on the inner corner of my eyes to highlight the area. Next, I will use mascara. If you are someone who don't like to wear false lashes or who feels uncomfortable with false lashes, then you can coat your lashes with mascara, like 2-3 coating, and you will good to go. We are almost done. Next we will apply lipstick, and here I'm applying a bold red lipstick, and the lipstick is from Matte Lip. This lipstick is very affordable and the color is bomb. Now black and brown smoky eyes goes really well with nude lips and also with red bold lipstick. To fix the makeup, here I'm using a makeup fixer. Our makeup is done. Wait for the final look. If you like this video, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Love you all.